Welcome to our Blockchain 101 series where we explore the fascinating world of blockchain technology. In this video, we will delve into the critical topic of blockchain security. We will get to know what makes it secure, trustworthy and safe. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of our latest tech content. Let's get started. Blockchain technology uses a decentralized and distributed ledger system, meaning that there is no central authority that controls the data or the network. This feature, coupled with advanced cryptographic techniques, makes it difficult for hackers to tamper with the system or steal data. One of the most critical security measures in blockchain technology is the use of private and public keys. Private keys are used to access your digital assets, while public keys allow you to receive transactions. The use of these keys ensures that only the owner of the assets can access them, providing an extra layer of security. Another security measure in blockchain technology is consensus algorithms. These algorithms ensure that all nodes in the network agree on the same version of the ledger. This agreement prevents malicious actors from manipulating the data and ensures the integrity of the ledger. Blockchain technology also uses advanced encryption techniques to protect the data stored on the platform. All transactions on the blockchain are encrypted, making it impossible for anyone to read or modify them without the private key. In summary, blockchain technology is highly secure due to its decentralized and distributed nature, private and public key infrastructure, consensus algorithms, and advanced encryption techniques. These features make it a trustworthy platform for storing data and conducting transactions, without the need for intermediaries or third parties. That's it for our video about blockchain security. If you want to learn more about blockchain technology, don't forget to watch the entire Blockchain 101 playlist, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.